So one of the best things we can do to ensure planting is done correctly is actually engage with the arboricultural professionals and actually get them in decision-making positions within any landscaping phase. And some of the kind of routine, fundamental errors that are made in the planting process are not done by arboriculturists, but done by other well-meaning professionals that don't necessarily have the knowledge of tree care, tree biology and physiology that actually supports good outcomes. And so we see tree pits that are routinely designed with insufficient soil volume. We see planting occurring in soils that are highly compacted and suffer from waterlogging frequently. We see, poor species selection going on, and a whole range of other problems that actually can be solved with some pretty straightforward arboricultural input. And that's a frustration, I think, as an arboriculturalist looking at landscape initiatives and schemes around the country, is that often you think, if only. And I think we have to be better as a profession at engaging at an earlier stage in the planning process and making sure our voice is heard. And doing some diplomatic work with other key actors in the landscape profession so that they recognise our voice is distinctive and our experience and expertise is distinctive. And I think that would really be transformative in the way trees and landscape designs in general actually come to some form of fruition and contribute in the longer term. Because for sure, none of the benefits that are associated with trees will occur if you have to keep replacing trees on a 3 or 5 year cycle. And what we want is to be establishing sustainable, large-scale trees wherever possible that can actually contribute to future generations and give that sort of historic legacy, if you like, of a planting scheme, and not just relying on something that is there today and gone tomorrow because of fundamental problems in rooting environment design, soil volume, or selection of species.